Hello guys, I'm so excited to tell you about this tour. Welcome to Bosnia and Herzegovina. Today's video we are going our first stop to Positeli village. According to Google, Positeli is a historic fortified town, offers a glimpse into the past with its well-preserved architecture and stunning views. Visitors can explore the walled town, climb to the fortress for panoramic vistas, and admire the Sisman Ibrahim Pasha Mosque and Suhat Kola Clock Tower. The town is also known for its unique building materials and the opportunity to enjoy local cuisine and pomegranate juice. So guys, let's join with me and let's see the Positeli village, and welcome to Bosnia and Herzegovina country. I hope you enjoy watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel to support my small channel, and please do comment and likes. Enjoy watching guys. In this video, we are crossing for the border from Croatia going to Bosnia Herzegovina. So this is we check our passport here and we registered, and then we entered to Bosnia and Herzegovina. So welcome to a new country, which is Bosnia and Herzegovina. Enjoy watching guys. Additional to Positeli, Positeli is generally considered as a worthwhile destination, particularly for those interested in history, architecture, and scenic views. It is a small, well-prepared Ottoman-era town with a unique atmosphere and a fortress offering great views of the Neretva River and surrounding landscape. So guys, I hope you like this video, and hopefully you watch until the end. Enjoy watching guys. Okay, come here. Barque Espresso. Ito ba yan pangalan? Wala, nabura na. Tayo na. Hello guys, narito ngayon kami sa Bosnia and Herzegovina. Oo, nakatalaan naman ako. So, another post. Hello. And then this one. Guys, super mabato. So, ang mga nakakasakit ng bato. So, akit tayo doon sa castle na yon, kasi city wall din daw to. Ayan no. Dito ba tayo o doon sa kabila? Dito tayo, follow the thing. Ito ba yung lugar, be? Tama ko. Hindi, ito. Ayan o. Tama. Mataas pa pala. Are you okay? Huh? Be, are you coming? Malapit na, ah. Ayun ako. Hiking na naman, guys. Ito yung hiking. Ito, oh. Ha? Oo. Ang ganda, guys, oh. Ayan, ang mga bahayan nila. Dito tayo. Oh, how are you? You okay? Oh my God.
Like you.
Oh dear. Are you going down now?
Yeah, I went to the
Okay, I will just have a look quick here. Oh. Oh dear. Oh guys, ang ganda. Look. Ang taas. Baka tayo isa pa. Oh yeah. Oh dear. Oh. Hello. Oh. This one more. Oh dear. Yeah, look. Oh. It's amazing view. It's nice. This is our up down. Hindi na, doon na lang ako. Ayaw ko na. Oh yeah. sa Llewellyn guys. Hindi na makakit doon. Mataas. Going down. Oh. Yeah. That's what I said. Let me see on this side. Here we go guys. Doon na kami. Ayun ang sasakyan namin, oh, kulay puti. So doon ako galing, pababa. Yan na. Yan guys, oh. Yan na ang city wall. At ang mga residential area dito. Yeah. So next, bababa na ako guys. O hindi, parehas lang ito. Pababa. Pababa yun. Hindi matarik. Ay, tama rin ang so maganda rin yung dalawin doon sa kabila, mga modern houses. Oo, hindi lang ako doon sa takot umakyat na kasi may dalawang pasok. Asan yung pusa? Ano? Tanungin mo sa kanya, wala akong idea to. I see. Tignan mo naman, napaka-sharp ng stone. Yeah. Kita naman ninyo kung visible kami. Ito, mountaineering agad kami agang-aga sa Bosnia Herzegovina. Yun ang church natin dito. So, huwag na sana bibigay itong sapatos ko. Ito yung church guy na Islam charts. So parang hindi na siya masyado. Maaga pa tayo, ha. Ang gaganda ng bagbe sa shopping. Sa shop. Ganda. Ano? Yung DSLR pa rin. Hindi na ako gumagamit niyan. Mahirap kasing kukuha niyan. Hindi easy friendly saving. Oo. Ito pa picture ka dito, oh. So, UNESCO Heritage. Okay. Pero ang mga may edad dito at ang mga tuhod na magkukulaps na, hindi na pwede. Excuse me sa mga ating senior citizen na malapit-lapit na. Hindi na kaya ang lugar na to kasi super stone. Oh. Nag-aaway sila. Ayan, nagme-mating pa sila. Agang-aga. Hoy. Hoy, delikadesa kayo. May meeting pa kayo, ha? Guys, bumalik na kami. Ayun, galing ako dun sa taas na yon. Yan. Hindi ko na nakita yung castle. Daan pala dun eh. Hindi, yung aking sapatos hindi pa rin siya pwede na tayo dumaan. Wala tayo sa shop guys. Maganda na kanilang souvenir oh. Napatingin ako dun sa kanyang bag. Ito yung aming sasakyan, hindi yung isa yung puti. Yan ang pulutin. Ganda guys oh. Ito yung bag maganda. Moonstar. Bundang-bunda siya.
Voimaa ja A2 skojtåg och A4 man var mycket i taxen så då när det var väldigt svårt att rätta en stark med detta gråt och vi så bara skicka det så bara skicka det är intressant jag går inte den på det står så att de stannar så här med
Mediterranean no?
Mojito.
I hope you enjoy watching guys here in Positelli village, and please do watch for my incoming videos for Krabica waterfalls, and we are exploring Mostar here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Hope you enjoy watching guys, and please do subscribe. Thank you.